Hey, my name is Sandeep Tekchandani. I'm the founder of Sandeep.mba and welcome to my GMAT video lesson. In this video lesson, we will learn lines and angles. We will start with the meaning of lines. What do you mean by intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, and eventually parallel lines? So let's start with the meaning of lines. In geometry, the word line refers to a straight line that extends without end in both the directions. The figure drawn over here is called the line PQ or the line L. The part of the line from P to Q is called a line segment. The point P and the point Q are called the endpoints of the segment. In this slide, we will learn intersecting lines. If two lines intersect, then the opposite angles are called vertical angles and they have the same measure. For example, in this figure, angle P, R, Q and angle S, R, T are vertically opposite angles and they have the same measure x degrees. Similarly, angle Q, R, S and angle P, R, T are vertically opposite angles and have the same measure y degrees. Please note that angle x plus angle y is equals to 180 degrees since PRS is a straight line. In this slide, we will learn perpendicular lines. An angle that has a measure of 90 degrees is a right angle. This little square over here is the symbol for 90 degrees. If two lines intersect at right angles, the lines are said to be perpendicular to each other. In this figure, line L1 and line L2 are perpendicular and they are denoted by L1 perpendicular to L2. This symbol over here is read as perpendicular to. If two lines that are in the same plane do not intersect, then the two lines are said to be parallel lines. In this figure, line L1 and line L2 are in the same plane, and no matter how much you extend them, they are never going to intersect. Therefore, they are called parallel lines. In this figure, line L1 is parallel to line L2 and it is intersected by a third line. This third line is called the transversal, and angle Y plus angle X is equals to 180 degrees. So let's summarize. What did we learn about lines and angles? In geometry, the word line refers to a straight line that extends without end in both the directions. If two lines intersect, then the opposite angles are called vertical angles and they have the same measure. An angle that has a measure of 90 degrees is called a right angle, and if two lines intersect at a right angle, then the lines are said to be perpendicular to each other. And eventually, we learned about parallel lines in this video lesson. If two lines that are in the same plane do not intersect, then the two lines are called parallel lines. I hope my video lesson was clear and it will help you in your geometry exams. That is all, my friends. If you found my video lesson helpful, then you should go to sandeep.mba for more information on the GMAT, how to prepare for the GMAT and applying to business schools. You should also click on that like button and let me know in the comments which topics you would like me to cover in my future video lessons. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed, then go ahead and click on that bell so that you'll get notified about my future video lessons. All the best.